Hi there, folks. Ralph with Stray Benzes. Today I have a mini episode, which is actually really just a follow-up to the one where I discovered quite a bit of rot right around the carjacks or carjack points. So these will play a role, as do a whole bunch of clips. So here we go. Here we are. So the cladding down below is held in place by a whole bunch of these screws. They come in through the bottom. In most cases, these come out without any trouble, and there are a whole bunch, as you can see. And then you can see there are a whole bunch of clips that came out straight with their body inserts, which are the red ones. I got replacements for those. I have not found these, so be super careful. A couple of them, they yanked out of the cladding, and I still need to get them off of the car, of the rocker panel. And here are the new clips that I got. They're fairly inexpensive, but what you do is you take out all the little screws out of the bottom, and then you ever so lightly tug on one side, either end, until these clips come out. And like I said, be gentle. Here's I've seen some for like $20 per each from a British company, which I'm not paying. I don't know about you, but I'd rather go to a junkyard and try to figure out if I can get something off of a used and abused one. But anyhow, that is how you take off the lower cladding, and they all come off like that. Even these, you need to gently tug and pull until they finally come off, and just hope to God you don't find any more rot. Alright, that was it for today. Today's mini episode about how to remove body cladding of Generation 2 cars, W126. Some of the 123s are fairly similar. Same goes for the 124s and 201s. So good luck. Keep the good old classics on the road. Here's what you can buy new today. I'm sorry, I'm not driving around with that. Other than when you get a good example, that one might be worth keeping, like my W212 from 2010. Not bad. Any of the newer variety, there are many issues even with Benzes. So take care.